Yarra River Bridge, which we now know as the Chandler Highway Bridge, was constructed in 1889 and opened in 1891 as part of the Outer Circle Railway.
The existing heritage bridge is really important to the local community. It's been an icon for 128 years. So we've done a lot of work in restoring the old heritage bridge. We've undertaken some structural repairs and also removed the old paint and restored it in a heritage burgundy colour.
The Chandler Highway Bridge has some really interesting features. The wrought iron truss system is really unique. The bluestone and brick piers are really amazing in terms of their scale and their grandeur within the river valley.
There's been a number of initiatives implemented and features as part of this project. We've installed glass cutouts. They're viewing platforms to allow people to view the structural elements of the bridge. We've also installed an Indigenous mural which tells the story of the Yarra River.
The bridge deck includes a set of rails which reflect the original just single track on the bridge. We thought that was a really important feature of actually reminding pedestrians and bike users that the bridge had a railway history, and we integrated historic quotes from contemporary newspapers at the time describing the bridge.
This project has fixed one of the biggest bottlenecks in Melbourne. Traffic is now flowing better and it's been well received by the community.